about her legal status after Nikki had provided her with a driver's license and a social security number and asserted under the penalty of perjuries that she was in this country legally, Meg Whitman could have been subject to a discrimination violation.
Well, I totally disagree with you.
No, that's a fact.
No
There's no disagreeing with that.
Well,
that is a fact. That's a factual statement of the law.
Okay, well, so may I just complete my sentence?
Sure.
Please? I totally disagree with you, Megyn, that Meg Whitman and Dr. Harsh had no obligation to do anything once they received that letter.
Okay, let me just quote. Let me quote Jenny Leo. Let me quote Jenny Leo, and then I will let you respond. I promise. I promise. I'm going to give you the floor. I swear I'm going to give you the floor, but I just want our viewers to know where I'm getting this from. Jenny Leo, a labor and employment attorney at the National Immigration Law Center in LA, which defends immigrants in these cases. Quote, this is in the San Francisco Chronicle. There is no additional legal obligation for an employer to follow up or respond to the Social Security information or the Social Security Administration with new information. And then more from the American Immigration Lawyers Association in Washington. Quote, not only is accepting the documents that the illegal would then provide all the law required her to do, but there is a counterbalancing anti-discrimination law that keeps her, meaning Whitman, from probing further or demanding different documents. You go.
The answer is very simple. Anyone who looks at the letter will see what the government instructs the employer to whom that letter is sent to do. And number 5 says that the employer must fill it out and return it to the government, to Social Security. That was not done. Obviously, it wasn't done by Dr. Harsh or Meg Whitman because they denied ever receiving it. So they did not follow the very, very clear instructions on the letter. I don't care what anybody else's legal opinion is. All you have to do is read the letter.
But the letter has nothing to do with your legal
what the employer has to do.
The letter has nothing to do with your legal. Your legal case is about her being underpaid and not getting past mileage. So your focus on this letter, which these other legal experts say does not in any way indict what Meg Whitman did, your focus on it is what leads so many to believe this is about politics for Gloria. It's not about the law.
By the way, if the government didn't want any response or didn't care if there was any response, I wonder why it says return it in the enclosed envelope. But in any event, let me just address your other point. Look, we're not filing a lawsuit over this. We never said we are filing a lawsuit. This is about Meg Whitman, her hypocrisy, her saying that employers should be held accountable for hiring undocumented workers. Where is her?
So it is political.
Where is she taking responsibility? And it's about the fact that she denied ever receiving the letter from Social Security, which puts her on notice that there is a mismatch in the Social Security numbers. And a mismatch, by the way, is often a tip-off that an employer is hiring an undocumented person.
Well, I'll leave it. I got to go, Gloria, because I'm up against it. But I will leave it to our viewers to sum up whether what you just outlined is a legal complaint or a political one. Gloria, thank you so much for coming on. All the best to you.
Thank you, Megyn. Bye-bye.
7 years of school couldn't possibly prepare him for this. A West Coast attorney fired from his firm, and he claims it's all because he refused to attend a company retreat, one that involved nudity, sex toys, and the man show one associate refused to watch. Next in Kelly's Court.
Welcome to Scottrade, where you can feel right at home investing online.
Hey, it must be the Clarks. Your internet service is up and your cable is on. All the financial news channels in HD.
Woohoo! Enthusiastic, huh?
Oh, sorry, it's Triple Witching Friday.
We need to see how to fix our positions. Honey, I think we're home. Scottrade, let us help you become a better investor.
Our bathroom never looked this good until we called Rebath. Rebath remodels your bath in as little as 1 day, so there's no mess, no stress. Rebath converted our old bathtub into a new walk-in shower. Call Rebath now.